Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your email signature in Zoho Mail. Maybe you want to add updated contact details, include a company logo, or simply give your emails a more professional look. Whatever the reason, updating your signature is quick and easy, and I'll guide you through the steps. First, log into your Zoho Mail account with your username and password. Once you're on your main dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the page and find the settings icon. It usually looks like a gear or wheel. Click on it and scroll down or search for the signature option. Click on it and you'll be taken to the signature management page. This is where you can create a new signature or edit an existing one. You'll see a signature editor that lets you type in your details and even use formatting tools to adjust the look. Here, you can add your full name, job title, and contact details like your phone number or website. For a more professional feel, you can also insert a company logo, add social media links, or highlight important information you want your recipients to see. Just remember, Zoho, the best signatures are clear and concise. You want it to look polished without being overwhelming. Once you've designed your signature the way you like it, don't forget to save your changes. Click the Update button, and from now on, your new signature will automatically appear at the bottom of all your outgoing emails. That's it. You've successfully updated your email signature in Zoho Mail. It's a small adjustment, but it makes a big difference in how your emails are received, adding both professionalism and personality to your communication. And remember, whenever your role or contact information changes, you can come back and update your signature again in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more easy tech tutorials and helpful tips.